GXP. Navigation. Leather. Sunroof. 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix GXP in the house. GRAYSTONE metallic with dark gray heated leather seating, 5.3 L58 engine under the HOODY, automatic transmission, clean Carfax. No accidents. Let's go over all the funyuns on this VROOM party starter. Touchscreen navigation. Power glass sunroof, heated leather SSEATING, 245-watt Monsoon 9-speaker system, 18 forged aluminum wheels, anti-lock brake system, full function traction system, remote starter, head-up display, all serviced up with a professional detail and ready for a new owner. Come on in today and take this GXP for a whirl around our $1.5 million Chevrolet of Naperville test track. See y'all soon. One low price, plain and simple. Always.